Hello, thanks for tuning in for another look at one of the products from Trinity's 2021 holiday release. This is the Geometric Cutout Mini Slimline die. This intricate die is very beautiful once it's cut out. The die itself cuts out a space that is 6 inches long by 3 inches wide. Of course, you can elongate this with using multiple die cuts and then cover up the seam with another sort of product like an image. But it's very versatile and it cuts beautifully on both glitter, foil, and on regular cardstock. You could also use this as a stencil if you wish. There are lots of ways to use this type of cutout die. This die is part of the 2021 holiday release from Trinity Stamps, and here are some examples from our design team. You can see here that it can be featured on another size card. You can create a mini slimline card, or you can create a larger card with this as your focal area. This here is a 5x7 card that is used as seam to piece two together, and it's placed here on some mini slimline cards. Lots of ways to use this beautiful die. Thanks for tuning in for a look at the Geometric Cutout Mini Slimline die from Trinity Stamps.